Hey everybody, I want to give a little explanation of how we can make a graph like the cooldown is asking us to do. Laughing at myself. Um, so the cooldown, if you were to open it up, looks like this. We need to create a sequence based on this recursive definition that we have. Um, you need to write the first 5 terms of that sequence, and we need to create a graph in Desmos for this. I'm going to give us an example sequence. I know I did this with some classes, but I feel like I need to make sure it's clear to everybody. So say we have some sequence. I'm going to write it here. You don't have to write this here. But say my sequence is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The geometric sequence that is multiplying by 2 to get to the next term, starting with 1. So to plot this sequence on the graph, we need to plot a series of points. Since the first term is 1, we'll write that that point is 1, 1. This just means that the first term is 1. And to put the second point, we'll put, well, what's the second term? Second term is 2, so this is 2, 2. Well, now we need to do the third term, another comma. This one's the third term, and it's equal to 4. The fourth term is equal to 8, so we'll write 4, 8. The fifth term is equal to 16. I would write 16, or 5, 16. And the sixth term is equal to 32. So on this graph over here, we can see this sequence represented on a graph. You can click on the points and it'll label them, or you can just click here and it'll label all the points for you. You don't have to do that though. You can if you want. To screenshot it, for me, I use this snipping tool. For your device, it might be slightly different. I would highlight what I want to screenshot. I'm going to come back to the graph or to the cooldown activity, and I will paste it. Make it a little smaller. It doesn't have to be that big. And there it is. You can now see the graph showing what's happening in my cooldown. Oh, and I disappeared here. Oh well. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.